In the lively underwater world of Bikini Bottom, SpongeBob SquarePants woke up with a huge smile on his face. Today was going to be special, and SpongeBob was excited to take on a new challenge at the Krusty Krab. SpongeBob bounced into the Krusty Krab, ready to start his shift. Mr. Krabs greeted him with a nod and a smile. Today, we're launching a new special menu item. It's a big deal, SpongeBob, and I need everyone to be extra motivated. SpongeBob's eyes sparkled. I'm ready, Mr. Krabs. Let's make this the best day ever. He began his tasks with enthusiasm, flipping Krabby Patties with a perfect technique, his energy contagious. As the day progressed, the orders kept piling up, and the customers were getting impatient. SpongeBob's best friend, Patrick Star, came in for a visit and noticed SpongeBob looking a bit overwhelmed. Patrick approached SpongeBob with a concerned look. "Hey, buddy, you seem stressed. Do you need any help?" SpongeBob, though tired, shook his head. "No, Patrick, I've got this. Just need to stay positive and keep moving." Just then, a major hiccup occurred, the grill broke down, and SpongeBob had to fix it while still managing the long line of hungry customers. The pressure was on, and SpongeBob began to feel the weight of the task. SpongeBob took a deep breath and remembered the motivation he felt earlier. He thought about why he loved working at the Krusty Krab and how much joy he got from making others happy. His passion rekindled, he decided to tackle the problem with renewed determination. SpongeBob got to work, fixing the grill with a positive attitude. His efforts were focused, and he made sure every customer was satisfied, even if it took a bit longer than usual. With the grill fixed and the orders catching up, SpongeBob's motivation began to shine again. He danced and hummed while working, making the atmosphere in the Krusty Krab cheerful and fun. Suddenly, a mysterious visitor entered the Krusty Krab. It was the mayor of Bikini Bottom. The mayor had heard about SpongeBob's hard work and was here to personally thank him.